you know what the done, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know, you see me?
On YouTube, you know, come in say YouTube, that tube, and such tube, yo.
Yeah, Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploding right now.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, and people, a whole heap of things are going, you see me? A whole heap of things I'm want to talk about, a couple video drop, and me not really get to review all of them, but slowly but surely, me definitely I go review all of them, you see me? So, today we want to talk about the Romeich entertainment team. Or me should have said 2 artists out of Romeich Entertainment, you see me? And that is Shenseea and Teejay. And both of them drop a video for them song on Justice Rhythm, you see me? And me are telling the people, it's shot first. Alright, which one me I talk about first? Make we deal with the ladies first, you see me? Because them say ladies before gentlemen. So here is Shenseea, tie me up.
Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, we are ooh la la, ooh la la, we are ooh la la, oh. Strangle me and tie me up. Never your granite, no shiny brush too tight.
So first thing what me have to talk about is how clean the video is. The video, yo, Jano, yo, me really proud. A Romeich team, you see me, and the whole video industry in a Jamaica, and I know the first me forward for my channel and I talk about that something, you know. We are make some very clean videos nowadays. When I say clean, it come like them wash about 3 times in a machine, and each time them wash and a quick wash it up on. It depend on some 50-minute wash, you see me. And so the video them clean nowadays, you see me. So as well the team suggests, tie me up, you see me. At the team, you see me, Shenseea, boy, yo, the video again compliment Shenseea's skin, you know. You see me, it compliment her skin tone and everything for just show her up how pretty she is. Yeah, man. So, people, that video you teach you some things, you see me. Even though the girl them, and me I talk to the ladies on love when man tie you up. Cause me not think no man like when no woman tie them up. Cause me personally, me no work with that tie up something there. Me no like tie none at all. Me no like when woman tie me. Me no like get tie up from woman. None of the tie them me no like. You see me? But right now you can see say Shenseea in our room. You see it? And she they look like say we don't know. It's the video start off where she be tied up as well. The title suggests. You see me? And now a youth forward in for do him thing, you see me? You don't know what thing go and look like say Shenseea love that freaky lifestyle something there, you know. Love when man tie you up and all these things. But I don't know, remember say she did forward out on that video there and say yeah, she. Alright. You're not supposed to know what me attack, you see me? So whenever we're going at. But anyway still, when the man goes so booms now and a forward for deal with it, you don't know say one little lame carpet, one little carpet when I set good in the house. Me don't know how the dog trip over it. Me don't know what go on there so right now the man drop and lick him head. See you know who can get up, see you know who still tie up. And that was the major part of the song. That was the major theme of the music video. You see me? And I feel like that little concept there, it bad. Me feel like the video could have a little, probably bit more concept. Cause you know, say me like the video them with a lot of concept already. But nonetheless, yo, the video clean, and is a good look. You see me? Shenseea continue to make moves, you know. Me rate Shenseea in the industry. Shenseea forwarding and just come on the thing. You see me? Right now, as she around the thing as female. Who disagree? Comment in the comment section below. You see me? Even though I feel like we need to stop compete the dancehall artists, you know. But then more time when we compete when we try compete them, you see me? I bring out the best of them. You see it? So that's Shenseea, tie me up. You can go look for it. You see me? I go pin the link. I go put the link in the comment section. or in the description. Somewhere about you go see it. You see it? So you can just run over our page. Go watch it. So that's Shenseea, tie me up. So me could take a look on Teejay video now, no? My type.
She right with me I right with she. She my type of B, me a fair type of G. She don't come easy, get the money pussy. If you ask her about G, she go tell her about me. Alright, she can come pick me for Mr. Buppy from back. Me mash up the pussy if I stand up for one top. Better than ever can make her happy come back.
So people, it's like Teejay got some booms now on sight when a Romeich girl them and say, yo, Jano, you know say more on that girl yeah? You know say at that girl yeah, for a link with the up top boss. So the man start, you know your gangster thing going, the man dry it in one little corner and probably she say yo, she go give it up, you see me? So she go give up the cookie now. But it look like say I no film house him there, because if a film house him there, he would have a space for himself. He would have a room for himself. So he want go sub booms and first him carry it in a room, and then when him look, is a man forward in another room there with a girl. Like him and say, yo dog, here one know, me have that girl have to kill. So you have to go find somewhere going on. Then man going out, then the man going on one next room, and I see him thing and next room in the bathroom. Yo, it's like say everywhere the man go, a man and a girl there. And so me want roll in my friend them too, you know. We there in a one big house full of girl. And every man lock off them girl, is it? Yeah, the video creative and concept bad, and like as well, like the previous one, the video clean. And when me notice, these two videos was shot by video god or creator god. I saw them name, all what me I get them name correct, you see me? So me don't know if I them Romeich work with straight or no, but what me can say is a good look. Both video them, me can't say none of them cleaner than none, because two of them quality and point. The only thing lacking with the two of them, yo, is concept, because all the man a do, a walk round and a walk round and a walk round with the bee, and every room the man going in, is like say, yo, somebody in there with a girl already, or somebody will come in there with a girl already. So right now, that one there, that part there, it look, me don't know if me never pay attention more, if you know say something else add on. If you feel like say something else add on there, just tell me in the comment section, you see me? But then again, at the end, me not even know say, me never know say if him did beat the girl, yes or no. You see me? Me never know if him did kill it, yes or no. You see it? So I guess them say, yo, you know what? Make we just left that one there in a suspense. Make we just left that part there in a suspense. You see it? But nonetheless, yo, the video bad, and me have to talk about Romeich Entertainment, you know. Me love how Romeich Entertainment them a do them thing. You see me? So 3 songs for them depend the rhythm. You see me? So you have Ding Dong with vibes. You see it? And you have Shenseea Tie Me Up. And now you have up top boss Teejay with the song we name that other song we are talking about, My Type, which I know, me don't know why him use Popcorn name My Type, and Popcorn they don't have a song we name My Type already. Anyhow, that's our for our next discussion, you see me? But yo, the man them, yo, me just rate how them a do them thing, yo. As when me say, at them are the new, at them I the click in a dance hall where I eat enough food and I do enough things, but them not really in a the hype. Meaning, they are not a big clan like a Vendetta clan or a Gaza clan or nothing like that. But nevertheless, them a do they do, and me respect that about them. You see me? Me respect that about them. And everything where them put them on pan come like say it a ton gold. I swear, look pan it now, man. Shenseea are one of the hottest female in a dancehall right now. And right now, Teejay as an upcoming artist, Teejay are one of the hottest artists in a dancehall right now. You see me? So, it's a good look. And then you have the Dancing King Ding Dong. You see me? We should have said Dancing King. We can't say Dancing King, I know, man. I'm my Dancing King. You see me? A Ding Dong, I do the do. So, they make a good team. And Romeich is a good manager, a very good manager. You see me? Them man, they look like say them study the business and all these things. So tell me in the comment section what you think about them two video here. You feel like say some good video them, or you feel like them no bad? Me no know. For me, both of them, me like them. Would I give both of them both a 9 out of 10? You see me? Both of them. Me not telling a lie. But that's what me would have give them. Tell me what you would have give them. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, I continue telling you every video when I do more telling you because probably the person here catch that video here and they catch the last video, or some people, you know what thing go. Or we have new people on the channel. You see me? Every Monday night at 8 o'clock, I conduct a live show. You see me? I stream live on YouTube. So every Monday night, 8 o'clock, just come check me out on YouTube. You see me? What we talk about, probably social topic, you know, topic surrounding dancehall and all these things. You see me? So just check me out every Monday, this and every Monday at 9. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.